In this lesson, we're going to look at similar triangle proofs. So the three methods that we have for proving triangles similar are angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. Remembering that side, 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 and side, angle, side are not saying that the sides are congruent, but that they have a constant ratio. So if we look here, so all we're given is AB is parallel to DE, and that is our given statement. So if AB is parallel to DE, I'm going to make my Z, and I will be able to say that these two angles are congruent because they are alternate interior angles. Additionally, these two angles 3 and 4 will be congruent because they are vertical. Therefore, since I have two congruent angles, I have enough to say that they are similar. So there's a box missing. That's fine. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Reason, alternate interior angles are congruent. 3 is angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Reason, vertical angles are congruent. And then finally we can write our proof statement. Reason, angle, angle is similar to angle, angle. So let's look at some more. MN is parallel to JL. There's not the Z, but there is corresponding angles, as well as K being reflexive. So I can say first MN is parallel to JL, given. Angle K is congruent to angle K, reflexive. Let's call this 1 and 2. Angle 1 congruent to angle 2, corresponding angles. And then we have our proof statement. Triangle JKL is similar to triangle MKN. Reason, angle, angle. So first we are given that angle EAB and angle DCB are right angles. Given. So EAB is here and DCB is here. In addition, we know that these are congruent because they are vertical. So first, if we wanted to be thorough, let's write that EAB is congruent to DCB. Reason, right angles congruent. Then we can say angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, reason, vertical. So then we can finally say that triangle EAB is similar to triangle DCB, reason, angle, angle. I forgot angle, angle, similar to angle, angle, similar to angle, angle. So here we're given that WY bisects angle XYZ. So we have an angle bisector, and we know that the ratio of XY to ZY is equal to WY over VY. So XY to ZY and WY to ZY. So let me actually just highlight these. So we have two sides. So XYZ is bisected, so we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Definition, angle bisector. Number 1 was given. So now we can actually just state triangle WXY is similar to triangle VCY. Reason, side, angle, side, similar, side, angle, side. we're given parallel lines. So I want to highlight them, make a Z. So I have my pair of alternate interior as well as a pair of vertical. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, vertical, angles congruent. And then we have angle 3 congruent to angle 4, alternate interior, angles congruent. I'm writing this very quickly just for the sake of time to go through everything. You should obviously write it much neater than I am. Because I have two angles, I can now say that the triangles are similar by angle. So now we're just practicing taking apart pieces of the proof. So I can say that angle C is congruent to angle C by the reflexive postulate. I can say that angle 1 is congruent to angle 1 because vertical angles are congruent. And the next one, given that I have parallel lines, I can say that angle B is congruent to angle D because alternate interior angles are congruent. So again, given parallel lines, I can say that angle C is congruent to angle ABE because corresponding angles are congruent. So now we're going to fill in the proof. Start by your givens. So if I look here, angle C is the same in both. I have corresponding angles because they are parallel lines. So angle C is because of reflexive. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 because of corresponding angles are congruent. Finally, the triangles are similar because angle is similar to angle.